passionate love affair with investing. In the world of finance, passion drives the market. It's an undying love affair that keeps us coming back for more. Like a sizzling romantic tryst, it's about the thrill of the chase. The intoxicating allure of potential gains, whispering promises of wealth. But remember, investing is a dance of desire and risk. It courts us with profit, yet risks are the jealous lovers, ever looming in the shadows. Like any passionate romance, it's not without its heartbreak. Losses can sting, but it's the losses that make the wins feel so sweet. So, embrace the seduction, the highs and lows. Dive into the dance of numbers and statistics. Let your heart race with every rising stock. Finally, remember, invest with passion but never lose your head. For in the end, it's a game of strategy, not just heart. Investing, it's more than a hobby. It's a passionate love affair. Allow yourself to fall in love, one investment at a time.